Heading back to the weather watch now. There is rain throughout much of the area. Here is a live look outside. We can expect rainfall off and on for a bit more.
Yeah, and Mary Kay is here now again with a full look at the forecast. Mary Kay.
And you could see from that live shot visibility coming down. So poor visibility may be with us in the morning as patchy fog is developing, and we expect it to be dense fog toward morning. But we have those tropical-like rainfall rates in the Kankakee River Valley. That's our focus tonight for the heaviest rain, because we could see those rainfall rates of 1 inch per hour. Just because these rain showers are heavy, they're grabbing all of that moisture that's available. I mean, you felt it when you stepped outside, how humid it was all day long. It still is tonight, and these are all moving west to east, kind of parading along and repeating in the same places. So we are going to see this heavy rain continue, and the northern edge of this is around Crete and Beecher, headed to Crystal Lake and Cedar Creek, but going right through Grant Park and then down into Momence and further south into Kankakee and then down to the south near Ashcombe. All of this is continuing to travel to the east. So it's really I-80 places south of there that could still have a severe threat here for the next hour or so. Damaging wind gusts are possible, but definitely a flash flood risk just because of those heavy rainfall rates that are repeating in the same places. So here's the setup. We have the stationary front sag south, so that's why you may have felt the cooler lake breeze much of the day, and also the extra cloud cover from the showers around that help pull a slightly stable air mass into place. But at the same time, even with all the humidity around, low pressure is moving in our direction, and right along this warm front, that is where the most active weather has been tonight. We've had reports of a tornado there, but even the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center this evening now pushing the severe threat south of Chicago. Same is true with the damaging wind threat. It just reaches, though, in our far southern counties here, Newton and Jasper, into Kankakee and southern LaSalle County for another hour or so. Tornado threats are around Champaign. That's where we had warnings last hour, and emergency managers spotted a tornado near Edinburgh. That was at 9:10 this evening. It seems the severe threat really is to the south of us. We have 72 degrees right now, 74 in Gary. Those dew point temperatures, though, are so impressive. When we have mid-70s, we had some upper 70s this afternoon. That's a moisture-loaded atmosphere. Now, as we move through the night, you can see still in that same place, repeating rains moving through. But in the morning, it all quiets down, and during the day, maybe a stray shower around as temperatures reach that 80-degree mark. So our severe threat is still for about another hour, mainly for the Kankakee River Valley. So well south of I-80 would be the focus for that. Tomorrow, a slight chance of rain. Same is true on Wednesday. Brad and Erica for the weekend for the Air and Water Show. We are heating things up. Nice, bright, but hot weekend on the way.
All right. That's how we want it. Thank you, Mary Kay.